Hello, welcome to Easy Cook by Tess. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare this yummy chicken wrap. Here is chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh to prepare this. So I'm seasoning it with the dry spices, paprika, salt, and little drizzle of oil. Okay, then I will go ahead and mix it properly. Then remember, I added chili pepper and some yaji sauce. Here I'm going to place it in this plate and leave it to rest for about 30 minutes. Then I will go ahead when it has marinated. Then I'm going to be frying it in this pan. So I'm going to just allow the oil to heat up. When it is heated, add in the chicken breast and let it cook for a couple of minutes. So I'll go ahead and flip it over to make sure it is properly cooked. Then when this is ready, I'm going to also flip it again because the chicken breast is thick. So I just want to make sure it is well cooked. Now it is ready. I'm going to take it out from the pan and place it in a plate. Now that it is ready, the next thing is to go ahead and cut the chicken breast into slices like this. The purpose of cutting it this way is because I'm going to be using it for wrap, so I want it as long as this and at least a bit bigger. You can as well let it cool down before cutting, but I don't have that patience to wait for it to cool down. So I want it hot, when I prepare the wrap. So here it is. I have finished cutting it into these sizes. So I'll go ahead and place it into the plate and continue with the preparation. This chicken wrap tastes so good and amazing. You would want to prepare it at all times. So because the sauce in the pan is still valuable and it will help the chicken to taste more extra good after cutting. So I decided to add it back into the pan that contains the oil, the ingredients that have infused into the oil. So I decided to toss it around in that oil so that it will add extra flavor to the chicken. So now it is set for me to use it. Here in this bowl, I just added in some mayo and also some ketchup. You can use Greek yogurt instead of mayo. That was my intention, but I don't have Greek yogurt at hand. So I added some lemon juice, just about 1 table to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then go ahead and mix it properly so that everything will be well incorporated. So after mixing, I'm going to set it aside. Here is the wrap, I'm going to be using. So I'm going to add in the cabbage and some carrots, then add in the chicken breasts we already grate and add in some of the mayo. So I'll go ahead and fold it in. So how do you fold yours? Do you do it better than me, or do you fold it? Is there any special way you do yours? Can you drop your comments in the comment section to tell me how better you do yours? This is a very good opportunity and ways to take in your vegetables, okay, and your protein, and it is healthy, all right, and you will not go wrong trying to make yours this way. I used lettuce instead of cabbage, but you can as well use cabbage. So here it is. I'm going to be dropping in the description box how I prepared this delicious chicken wrap. So I will be dropping all the ingredients in the description box. Please check out for it. So now it is ready. So I'm going to grate it in the toaster, okay, or in the griller, and yeah, so you can see the outcome of it. It's going to warm it up. So that is the purpose of doing this, and it will help the wrap to get a bit crunchy outside. Here you can see it is ready. So I'm going to put it in the plate and go ahead to also warm up the other one. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Here we come. It is ready. So can you see, it is not that hard to make. It is very simple and quick to make. So this is just it. I'm going to bring it out, and yes. So now here it is, very well presented. Hope you're going to try this out. It is so good to prepare. You can use it for dinner or even lunch. Yeah, not even a snack. You can use it for lunch or dinner, whichever one you want to use it for. Here it is. Can you see? It looks so delicious and yummy. To be sincere, this tastes out of this world. It tastes so good. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, this is the time to do so. Kindly subscribe, like, and share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you. Bye.